Tired of seeing posts from someone you no longer want to follow? Let's fix that. In this video, I'll show you how to unfollow anyone on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. The first way to unfollow someone is through their stories or posts. Once you're viewing their content, tap on the three-dot button. Now select the unfollow button to stop following them. Now let's move on to the second way through your followers list. Go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap on the following or followers to see the list of people you're following. Search for the person that you want to unfollow. Once you find them, click on their profile. After that, tap on Following. Finally, hit the unfollow button to confirm. And that's how you can unfollow someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and leave a comment if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.